So today's the day I bought a 40-foot Pearson sailboat. Pretty big. And this is the inside. Got lots of space in here. Couches, stove, everything works. Except no motor. I don't really plan on sailing. This is just kind of an apartment, I guess, or a summer vacation home / duck hunting camp is what this will be used for. So pretty cool. I'm excited. I'm gonna power wash it, and then I might tie my other boat up right out here, get ready for my charter tomorrow morning, and I might spend the night in here tonight. I don't know yet, but yeah, today's the day I bought it. What is today? Friday, September 5th, 2025. I bought a 40-foot sailboat. Cool.